Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna attempt to do the I tried following a blank tutorial video. And today I am going to be trying to follow, Bubzbeauty, Lindy. So let's see if I can attempt to do what she does. I know her looks tend to be a little bit more muted than mine, so I'm gonna try my best to follow every step she explains in her video. This will be the glowy spring look, inspired by Kylie Jenner, it says on the title. Since spring's around the corner, I thought I would give this a try. Let's get right into it.
For selfie ready skin, I'm using my Neon photography fluid.
So primer. So I don't have that primer. It sounds like her primer helps with photo ready as well as minimizing appearance of pores and fine lines. So I'm just gonna take my Fenty Beauty primer and apply that.
For selfie ready skin, I'm using my Neon photography fluid.
Just to minimize the appearance of my pores, and this helps with smoothing as well. She's using a brush for primer. I'm about to use my hands. I always use hands for primer, so I don't know what brush she's using, but it looks somewhat like this, like a dual fiber one. So I'm gonna try that. It's so weird. I'm definitely not used to applying primer with brushes, on myself at least. On clients I do it, but not myself, because I feel like hands make primer penetrate much better. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Slow down, slow down. Slow down, I'm not there yet. The primer is on. I feel like it's not really evenly distributed. Let me get my hair aside. Okay, so at this point usually I do my brows first, but she's not doing brows yet, so it looks like concealer. She's using NARS. I don't have that. I'm gonna use my Target Shape Tape. She put a couple of dots. Okay, alright. She used the brush again. She used the same exact brush, guys, so I guess we're going on the same brush. Whoa, slow down. So she put it all over under her eye. I usually don't put anything on my eyelid besides primers and eye cream and eyeshadow. That seems to be all she put on her eyes. I don't have that foundation either. She seems to want hydration for her foundation. I'm gonna use my Bare Skin by my Minerals. Hold on, Lindy, let me catch up. Okay, so she dotted with her fingers. What do I do now, Lindy? What do I do now? So she's using the same exact brush again, guys, from the concealer. That concealer is like getting in my eye. This is why I don't put concealer in my eye. Her skin looks flawless. Mine does not look like that. I do too, girl. I do too. Allergies killing me too. Okay, now what? Translucent powder. Translucent powder. Okay, I don't have the one she's using, Soap and Glory. I have NARS. Translucent powder. Okay, slow down, slow down. It looks like she's using the same exact brush again for this powder. Ugh, I gotta wipe this down now. Lindy, how are you doing this? Oh my gosh. I'm not happy about putting my wet brush into my powder. Okay, glowy skin. Sorry, I put too much. Contour. She's doing contour already. Okay. She's using Anastasia contour kit. I have that. That's one thing I do have. Once again, she's using the same exact brush for everything. Oh my gosh. Ah, diagonal motion. Here. Oh, I think I put too much. She keeps going like this. Diagonal. Fishy face?
My once-or cheekbones are popping. It's time to bring the contouring to the rest of the face.
Okay, contour her face.
She's
getting kind of low for my taste. Okay, just bring it really forward. Temple jawline. Got it. Wow. It's so different with this contour like this. I'm not used to it. And using the same brush too. I have to wipe it down with the tissue. I didn't want to smear foundation all over my powders. Alright, now what? Highlight. She's using this one, Sand. Okay, so she's starting from her temple here, her cheekbone. So she's going from here already. Okay, so this is going basically like a blush, I guess, to highlight. We're not doing blush today, Lindy? Now she's doing brows. I don't have Wonder Brow, but it is a gel, so I'm gonna use my NYX brow gel. At least she's using a different brush for this. Oh my god. So Angle brush is what she's using. I'm using a Sephora Pro brow one. I don't know what she's using. I think she's using her own brand. I'm taking a little bit of the brow gel. She said outline first. Okay, so she did straight. She said she outlined it first and then shaded in. I know this color is really light on me. I'm going to darken it with eyeshadow. I guess we're not brushing the hair at all, Lindy, right? Okay. I mean, it looks pretty good, but it looks kind of cartoony because it's so outlined. Not really the way I do it. But That's the whole point, right guys? I really want to brush it out, but she didn't, so I'm not going to brush it out. Carbon by MAC, just to even up the tone. Much better, right? What now, Lindy? What now? So she's using a cream eyeshadow for base. I don't have Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm gonna use this. This is a Bare Study from MAC. She's a champagne-y kind of color, and it's kind of a champagne glow. Okay, so we're using our hands, priming our eyelids. Okay. For eyeshadow. She went all the way up to her brow bone. Okay, alright, all the way up, guys. She's using a MAC Soba eyeshadow. I don't have that, so I'm gonna use my MAC Espresso. It's kind of a similar brownish. That brown that she has. So now she's using somewhat like this 217 brush. I wanted to put on the corners. It's going so fast. Struggle. Ah. Crap. Outer edge. My eye socket. Here? It's really shiny in my lid. Ooh, okay. More shine. So she's that eye socket right here. She didn't really blend it much, so I guess we're just gonna leave it kind of rounded like this. Okay, alright. Now she's using her Lorac Pro palette too. I don't have that, but I'm gonna take my It's Judy Time Pixie palette instead. Shimmery Champagne, so something like this right here. This she's using her finger, so put it in my lid. Okay, so lid and inner corner, she said. Lid and inner corner. Ooh, this does kind of make the look. She's taking a gold eyeshadow now. Okay, I'm gonna take our gold eyeshadow next door to this palette. More in the inner corner too. I'm gonna take that goldish color, the small brush, upper corners. Okay, got so much light going on. I don't really know where I'm putting it. I just feel like a disco ball. Mine don't look like hers. Eyeshadow stick. Do I have that? I don't have eyeshadow stick, but I'm gonna use my NYX Jumbo stick. I'm gonna do that halfway. Okay. Now, are you using finger after that? Darker brown eyeshadow. Okay. Darker brown eyeshadow. Darker brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this one here because it's darker brown. Looks like she's doing barely anything on there. Corner. Circular motion.
Slightly above my crease. If you don't have a crease, you just want to pop it in your socket and make tiny circles.
Okay.
For the best results, you want to make sure your eyes are not closed.
Not close. Directly at the mirror. Okay.
Okay, so let's compare this eye
Like that?
to the other. You see this one has much more depth. Very subtly apply on the lower lash line, just to balance the eye white.
Okay, same color, lower lash line. She's using a different brush. She's using like a bigger flat brush. This same color, she said. Fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy. Hers looks so much better. Oh, we have panda. Oh, we have panda. Bobbi Brown gel liner. I don't have that, so she's lining her inner rim. Okay, Inglot, number 77 black liner. I'm gonna use that instead. She's not really telling me exactly what brushes she's using, so I'm just gonna use this Bobbi Brown liner brush, lining her inner rim. Okay, this is gonna be kind of creepy looking. She's using a brush. I never really line my inner rims anymore because I'm sensitive, but we will try to make our lashes look fuller, she said. Whew, my eyes are watering immediately. Okay, center. Okay, I can't see. Ugh, my eyes watering so hard.
The finish of the lid simply just
Mine's getting so much thicker than hers. Inner lash line too. Okay, bottom. Oh my gosh. You're so brave, Lindy, for going all the way in underneath. I'm not good at this. I'm so sensitive with that. Okay. She went all the way in here. That. Okay. How'd you do your other eye so fast, Lindy? Power of editing, I guess. Ugh, my eye is watering. Okay, that's the best I can do. The liner on, that took me forever. It was a struggle, guys. Curl your lashes. It looks like you're using Benefit Roller Lash, which I don't have either, so I'm gonna use a different mascara. I guess no falsies, which I have like no lashes, like tiny baby nothing lashes. Okay, so before you move on to lips, I'm using my Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. It does make my lashes look hella big though. I don't think she put any on the bottom. I think it's just on top. Okay, just the top. Oh, alright. This is so weird for me because I usually put it on the bottom, but I will. I do have that in Naked 2 lip liner. Okay, funny face when putting on lip liner. We can do that, right? We can do that. We got this. We got this, Lindy. I do like this lip liner. Hold on. Doesn't seem like she lined her whole like inside the lips too. So I'm just gonna line it the way I line it. I don't have that lipstick, lip. So I'm gonna use my NARS Bahama, which is very like Kylie lip inspired, I want to say.
This is quite a good drugstore dupe to get.
Wait, you're on blush already? Hold on, let me finish the lips first, Lindy. I'm not there yet. How do you do it so fast? Okay, I don't have that Spring Sheen blush, but I do have Peachy Keen by MAC. Kind of similar. Once again, she's using the same brush from when we use foundation, concealer, and everything, primer and powder. I'm like, no, Lindy, you're killing me with the same brush. So she is wearing blush. Okay, I thought there's no blush today. I guess that's the entire look. Hair done, makeup done, no setting spray or anything. Not that much.
Like great on anybody. It's a perfect balance of like warm, healthy, but glam, all at the same time.
Hello, Lindy yet? Somewhat like hers. I am definitely not used to how pale I look still, and how, I mean, the eyeshadow's not that bad actually. I've never done it like this. It's very like K-pop, I feel. Not really blended. It's very shiny on my eyelids. That's my take on Lindy's glowy spring look. Hopefully it looks somewhat like hers. I try my best. Yeah, that's my take on this look. I don't look as good as hers, but I try my best. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day, and if you haven't done this tag, do it. It's freaking fun. It's a good tag video. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.